Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. The launch for the 14th staging of Reggae Month in Jamaica was held on Sunday under this year's theme, Come Catch the Rhythm, virtually. The month-long celebration this February sees its full schedule of activities being held virtually in keeping with the national social distancing protocols caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The festivities will kick off January 31 with the Reggae Month church service, which will be followed by the World Reggae Documentary Night 1 on February 1. The launch event also featured energetic performances from reggae artists Marcia Griffiths, Julian Marley, Asian Sasko, Inner Circle featuring Michael Rose, and dancehall acts Shansia and Ding.
Hey, one love, one heart.
Hey, watch out, I'm on a rush them like a pit bull. Mix with a ratty, slap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, say you know for them. Love the watchy, chatty like a peeping Tom. I mix with a motor massy, trying to mix up the original.
Thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say we are the best. Why to bless.
Good thing them. The good thing them. The good thing them. Why the good thing? When you do it, me a fool the good thing them.
February was officially declared Reggae Month by the government of Jamaica in 2008. The initiative highlights and celebrates the impact of the indigenous musical genre on the country's social, cultural, and economic development. In 2018, reggae was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage deemed worthy of protection and promotion. Now onto the international scene, where American rapper Lil Nas X made history with his breakout hit Old Town Road featuring Billy Ray Cyrus. The track has become the highest certified song ever by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA. The track is now certified 14 times platinum in the US. Old Town Road topped John Legend's All of Me and Despacito by Daddy Yankee, Louis Fonsi and Justin Bieber, which are both certified 13 times platinum. Old Town Road also broke the record for spending the most weeks at number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, with the video for the single gaining over 670 million views on streaming platform YouTube. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.